Today we are talking about Scaevola, also known as fanflower.
Do you know what it is?
Have you used it? Or what do you use for those pretty filler flowers? So
how many of you actually know what this is? Show it up close so they can see. You can see that it has like a little fan type flower to it, giving it that other name, fanflower.
And it's pretty prolific.
It is.
Yeah, it really shows. I mean, some of these these baskets are going to show.
I had some in petunia baskets also.
Yeah.
But in the sea of all of the petunias, I can't find. I don't know where I stuck those. They might be in the front greenhouses.
Yeah, it's kind of when we're looking for something.
You can never find it.
Yeah, you have to know what you're looking for and then eliminate that from the other 2,000 plus hanging baskets. So it can be kind of.
But why don't you show them that up close? So we do have it in with geraniums, and it works out.
Absolutely love it with the geraniums. So
it doesn't have a high shedding, and there's really no maintenance in it.
Yeah, literally, no, you don't need to deadhead or really do anything for it.
You do,
and everybody's like, perfect. So yeah, I mean, it's fanflower is an awesome plant to use, but look how beautiful this is with the geranium basket here. So we have 4 geraniums, and this is a 12-inch hanging basket. And typically what we do is we put 1 fanflower right in the middle.
And look how it spreads through the geraniums and comes out all the different sides and up on top.
That's one plant poking through all over. Now, this Rocky Mountain series will get big.
The size.
Yeah, so this is just a baby right now, so this will get way, way bigger. We just happened to grab this because we only have a few of these left with the Scaevola, with the geraniums, because not everybody, some people just want straight up, like red geraniums, or they don't want anything mixed with it. So we only have a few of these.
This looks like it's red on the screen.
But that's actually the orange,
it's
right?
orange. It's
yeah.
like blaze orange.
So this is the orange Rocky Mountain geraniums with the white Scaevola poking through there.
So in our greenhouse this year, we have the white Scaevola, the purple Scaevola, and
the pink. Yeah.
Actual names would be Fashion Pink and
this is in the
Blue Violet
Surdiva family. So that is what the pink fanflower looks like.
So let's get into the kind of the care of what they need, sun, shade, like what do they need?
They are a sun-loving plant. They can handle up to about 100 in some degrees. Obviously in the greenhouses, it gets a whole lot hotter than that. We're usually sitting right around, once that sun is out, a nice sunny day, it's 120 degrees in here and absolutely no problem. And especially where we grow our geraniums, which is 9 feet up above, 135 degrees is pretty typical. Now they do just fine because they're being cared for. They're not just going dry. So they can survive in much hotter temperatures than the 100.
They are a little bit more drought tolerant.
Yeah, they can go.
They don't show that wimpiness right away.
They can go a little drier, which
is nice.
Perfectly pairs them with the geraniums, because then you have 2 very similar plants that have the same care going together and they thrive together. So that's
like us.
Yeah, right. Similar but different. So fanflower is just a fantastic filler flower that has really become one of our favorites to use, because it performs and it doesn't fuss, and you don't have to deadhead it, and there's just a lot of things going for it.
And you said it right. Filler flower is what it would be. I don't know that I would just do a solid basket in Scaevola. It's not, to me, it doesn't have enough larger flowers on it to give it that fullness. But as a filler flower, and it pokes out through everything, whether that be in a container, in a basket, is beautiful. Like it absolutely just makes that, it's like putting a necklace on a whole outfit.
Just a nice little accent. Yeah, but I mean, it like I said before, it's pretty prolific, and just how, look how much color that gives with that purple, and then the reds.
Is really hard to see. Like, can you get
camera
really close?
And the Rocky Mountain series geraniums, they're gonna catch up. They're gonna come out here and really fill in with that red color. And so the red and the purples, the white is I mean, everything goes with white.
Yeah, but look at how this white one looks, and it makes the pinks look.
Just pops that color on there.
But then look at when the pink is with the dark purple. It just gives a different look to the basket.
Yeah. And again, these geraniums are small right now. We're still very early in the season. Once they catch up to the Scaevola is really taken off, but we know that Rocky Mountain series geraniums will catch up, and you're just going to have color all over in here, and then the Scaevola poking out everywhere that it can, and it will. So again, we do generally 4 geraniums in a 12-inch hanging basket with 1 fanflower right in the middle, and that really just makes a difference in how it
light
looks.
is full sun. You're a little bit on the drier side, not dry,
Yep.
but a little bit. It's not as thirsty as some of the other plants. And fertilize
about once a week with
like
the
you should.
Yeah, about once a week with the Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer. They're obviously thriving. They're getting a little bit more right now. I'm fertilizing a few times a week because I want to push these. The geraniums are just, we haven't had a lot of sun, so we're kind of waiting on that sun to come out. Today's not going to do it for us, so they're getting fertilized a lot more.
And the fanflowers, you know, they're one of those plants that kind of gets missed when you're shopping around because
They're easily missed.
you know, the lobelia is right next to them, and the lobelia's got tons of flowers on it. But as far as going strong through the whole summer and into fall, they're really a strong flower. Sometimes the lobelia, when you get into those hotter days, start tearing off a little bit.
The hot
or
summer,
bacopa, or
guess what?
Some of those fillers. But
Scaevola is not going to do that. So if you've had trouble with lobelia, kind of fizzling out in the hot summer days, consider switching to Scaevola. It's not going to do that what the lobelia can do for you. So
you're going to say, how do I spell it? It's up in the description.
Yeah.
So go in the description. It's spelled out, right? You have that in there?
Don't make me spell it on camera. I have to get my notes.
But it's Scaevola is kind of the formal name of it. Fanflower would be like
the
common name.
Yeah, there you go. The common name. What everybody else calls it.
And this is because a lot of people will ask that. This is the Surdiva series.
Yeah. So we have the 3 colors in that. But once people have it and they come back next year, they're like, yeah, I want that fanflower. Just performs so beautiful all summer long.
Or they see it tucked in a basket. They're like, what is that?
Yeah.
Because it just is not something that is on most people's radar.
Yeah, once it gets going, boy, watch out. It really does. But like Amy had said, it's really something to combine with and pair with other plants in a combination planter or in a hanging basket. Not that it can't be all on its own. We've seen some hanging baskets just of the Scaevola. But yeah, it's so much better with something. So planting it up.
And it's not going to get like, it might grow up a little bit, but it's going to be more of like that spread, like it spreads through everything.
Yeah. Yep.
And we talk about when we're planting of, training something to go. You don't have to train Scaevola. It will just do it on its own.
Yeah, it'll do its thing, and it'll be very, very pretty. So
yes.
So we're gonna highlight a few more Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer retailers. So we have Property Works Home and Garden in Adams, Wisconsin. They are one of our new BYN retailers, and also Summers Family Farm Stand in Barnet, Vermont. So East Coast.
Love it.
Yeah. So.
And if you can't get to one of those shops, because maybe you're in Montana.
Yeah. We have some there too.
You can go on the beatyourneighbor.com and check out the retailer locator button, which is a light blue button towards the bottom. And you will see a map of the United States, and you can zoom in on your area if there's not one in your area at all, because we highly recommend that you go into the greenhouses in your area to go say hi, let them know that we sent you, pick up a jar of fertilizer. But if you can't, then you can order online at thebeatyourneighbor.com.
Yep.
And we can ship to 48 states.
Yeah, so we can send it directly to your door.
And for those of you that watch us all the time, yes, we're going to say that every time.
Right.
Well, it's really important because there's a lot of new people that are following us that, one, can see that we have a greenhouse because of our name,
Yeah.
but they don't understand the whole spectrum of our business and what we do.
Yeah. So,
But we always want to promote the small business to small business first.
this is a little side gig that we do. So, all right,
With that,
back to work. I do have some watering out in the front greenhouses, so
this is a tricky time of the year, and I think we're going
Yeah.
to talk about this next week. 'Cause this
navigating those colder, rainy days.
non-sunny,
Yeah.
and it
Yeah,
gets
you gotta be careful.
it's like
if you're a greenhouse,
damp. You know, it's very
Yeah.
damp in the greenhouse.
that's where the disease and the funky stuff can set in if you're not careful with watering. And especially like we've got hanging baskets up here and they're growing like crazy and they're needing that moisture, so I have to go through and water these hanging baskets. But a lot of the product, the crops on the benches are sopping wet, so I have to play that game very, very carefully. It's cold. We got the heat almost off now, so the greenhouses might get down to 50 degrees or maybe 45 or so. So that's, if you're a greenhouse or a newer greenhouse and you're looking for some tips, this is the time when you have those rainy, cold days. You need to be careful, because this is where those diseases explode and stuff rots, and you can wipe out crops real easily. So this is troubled waters that you got to be careful with.
And we'll talk about that more next week.
Yep.
Maybe Monday, Tuesday.
Sure.
But on that note,
All
have
right.
a great day.
Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye.
Bye.